Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Physics Past Question 19. If 21 gram of alcohol of density 0.7 gram per cm cube is mixed with 10 gram of water, what would be the density of the resulting mixture? A. 780 gram per cm cube. B. 0.78 gram per cm cube. C. 30 gram per cm cube. And D. 10 gram per cm cube. Now we know that density is given as mass all over volume. Now the density of alcohol is given to us as 0.7 gram per cm cube. Then the mass of alcohol is equals to 21 gram. So now we can get the volume of alcohol, since we know that density is equals to mass over volume. So volume will be equals to mass over density. And so the volume of alcohol will be equals to the mass, which is 21 all over density, and that is 0.7, and that will give us 30 centimeter cube. So the volume of alcohol in the mixture is 30 cm cube. Now for water, the density of water is equal to 1 gram per cm cube. 1 gram per cm cube. Mass of water is equal to, that's in the mixture, is 10 grams. So now we can get the volume of water, and that will be the mass of water, which is 10 all over the density of water, which is 1, and that will give us 10 centimeter cube. Now we cannot find the density of the mixture, because the mass of mixture will be equal to the sum of the mass of water and that of alcohol, and that will be 10 plus 21, which is equals to 31 grams. Then the volume of the mixture will be equals to the volume of water plus the volume of alcohol, and that will be 10 plus 30, which is equals to 40 centimeter cube. So the density of the mixture now, the density of the mixture will be equals to the mass of the mixture over the volume of mixture, and that is 31 all over 40, and that is equals to 0.78 gram per cm cube, which is option B. So this is the density of the resulting mixture. Thank you, and you should subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.